Oh, what is that smell? Every time I opened up my door to get in my car, I just got hit in the face with a hoof of ugh. This is disgusting. I need to clean this thing out so bad. And this steamer is going to be the perfect way to do it. I am so thankful they sent this to me as a gift to try out, right? Because my car desperately needed a cleaning. So I got the box, I opened it up, and I was impressed with all of the different utensils and tools included inside this steamer. And the other thing I was impressed, 1300 watts. This is a heavy acting tenactin steamer right here that's gonna heat up really quick, about 10 seconds, and be ready to punch some punches to clean. This thing here is amazing. Now, I've had some different steamers before, and I used some steamers, and the problem I had was I always had to unplug it, let it cool down before I added more water to keep going. This is not the case with this one. You can pop the top open and keep filling it up as you're cleaning. But all in all, the big reservoir inside this is huge. I don't even think you're gonna need to fill it up because I was able to clean my car, clean the bathtub, and come out here and hit the back deck really quick before I unplugged this thing. And I still had some water left in it. This thing is amazing. So I took it out to my car with my toddler and I said, you know what, let's clean this thing up. And I was impressed with the amount of steam and heat and cleaning power coming out of this nozzle, I tell you. This thing was deep acting, tenactin, dirt, and grime in my car. In the little crevices, in the little corners, anywhere that I was ever able to clean it before, this thing got it right. It has a little button on it that's going to keep the steamer button down so you can be hands-free on that button and just clean how you need to clean, right? That's going to be good if your hands hurt, you got arthritis or whatever, and you just don't need to hold that button down for, the whole time you're cleaning. It's going to do it for you. I was able to use the different attachments for each part of the car, right? Whether it was the dashboard itself, down there by the parking nozzle, or over in the gauge center. You know what I mean? So no matter what you're trying to clean, this kit is going to have the utensil for you to clean it properly. So all in all, I've been through some steamers. I've had a few steamers, and I am impressed with all of the features that this one has. The fast heating up, the 1300 watts. So all in all, if you're looking for a nice way to clean, something to sterilize thing, a toxic-free cleaning environment, this right here is going to be the route to go. This had the long cord and just everything that you are going to need in the steamer. So all in all, I am super impressed with this. I'm super blessed they sent this to me, and I just can't wait to go clean some more.
Perfect.